Hi, this is Carrie, and this is a reveal unboxing of Pop Out Scene kit number 38 from Crafter's Companion, their monthly craft box. I opted to skip 37 for now. I'm hoping it'll go on sale eventually, and then maybe I'll get it. I just wasn't sure about it. I got this one not so much because I thought the concept was all that great, but because I like the colorway on it. So it has 200 elements to it, and you can see you create these little scenes as you see here and here. What I was a little disappointed in is there is no stamp to get detail on your little people, on your deer, on your people. So you kind of have to draw that in. So I'm just letting you know on that. What you get is just a basic shape from the dies, but no stamp for that part. Okay, so let's get started. To start out with, it comes with 24 cards consisting of 4x6, 5x7, and my beloved 6x6. Those come with the envelopes, and so that is the first thing it comes with. Okay, next up, it comes with 3 different sizes and 3 different colors of the sateen ribbons. And so you can see here it's kind of a navy, a gold, and a yellow. Then there are the pearls in those colors. You can see yellow gold, although not a metallic gold, but it is a golden color, kind of a brownish, and a blue. Very pretty blue. Okay, next up we have the dies to be able to make your pop-out windows, your scenes. One is a birthday scene with the cake and a child. You could make that child a boy or a girl. And then it's balloons there in the middle. Then the other scene is a little deer here and a child or a fairy. I think it's a fairy with the deer. And so you can see the butterflies and everything there. Once again, you're going to have to fill in your own details for the characters. Then there are the stamps. And I'm going to put the stamp up here on the white part so you can see it. We have the happiest of birthdays, time to celebrate, don't forget to make a wish, and some balloons. Then you have some decorations for the other one. You have magical times are ahead. Thank you very much. I believe in you. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go, and a couple of butterflies. Okay, so then the last thing you have are the colorways. And I bring out the solid paper first, and you can see here we have a yellow, we have a bisque, a cream, a navy, and a bronze color. Bronze or brownish, however you want to look at that. And then the printed papers are here. We've got a pretty navy. You've got 2 different types of yellow, one with leaves, one with just a different kind of a stem pattern. And then you have the bisque, has little flowers, or little round vegetation, some polka dots, kind of random, and then I love this little hedgehog. Isn't he just the cutest? You've got little forest animals on that one. So you got a hedgehog, bunny, fox, all of those there. Okay, and so that is kit number 38. As you see there, it is called Crafter's Companion Pop-Out Scene Craft Kit. And there we go. You have a nice day. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.